Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be breaking down the AT&T Point Plus card from Citi and answering an important question. Is it actually worth getting in 2026? So first of all, let's understand what the AT&T Points Plus card is. So the AT&T Point Plus card is a reward credit card built specifically for AT&T customers. It allows you to earn Citi thank you points on everyday spending like gas, groceries, and regular purchases. These points can later be redeemed for the gift cards, travel, shopping rewards, and statement credits. Now, one of the biggest advantages of this card is that it has no annual fee, which means you can earn the rewards without paying a yearly cost to keep the card. The new card holders can often receive a welcome bonus worth about $200 after spending around $1,000 within the first 3 months. The card also offers monthly bill credits for AT&T customers. For example, spend $1,000 in a billing cycle and get a $20 statement credit. You can spend $500 to $999 and get 10 credits. Over a full year, this can add up to as much as $240 back towards your AT&T bill. The reward system is based on spending categories. You are going to earn 3x points at gas stations and the EV charging stations, 2x points at grocery stores and grocery delivery services, 1x point on all the other purchases. There is also no limit to how many points you can earn. The points typically don't expire while the account stays open. Now, if I talk about the extra benefits for AT&T customers, so when enrolled in autopay and the paperless billing, some users can get monthly discounts on the AT&T wireless or the internet bills depending on the plan and the payment setup. So the real question here is it actually worth using in 2026? So the card can be worth it if you are already an AT&T customer and want rewards on everyday spending. It makes the most sense for the people who pay an AT&T wireless and internet bill every single month, who spend regularly on the gas and the groceries, and who want a no annual fee reward card. However, if you don't use AT&T service or if you prefer simple cashback credit cards, there may be better options available. If this video helped you understand AT&T Points Plus card from Citi, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.